foreign exchange student, Celia Garbea, accompanied by Joanna and David Cannell. Celia joins us this year from Spain and is a dedicated member of the varsity cheer team. Celia admires her grandmother because she is the best and always supportive of her. Now, the 9th grade members of the homecoming court, Alexis Burns and Brody Huddas. Escorting Alexis are parents Justin and Kristen Sears, Matt and Lindsay Burns. Alexis is a captain of her hockey team. When not in school, Alexis likes boating and hanging out with her friends. Brody is escorted by parents Rory and Amanda Huddas. Brody participates in soccer, basketball, and baseball. After high school, Brody hopes to attend college and become a licensed pilot. Let's have another round of applause for our 9th grade homecoming court, Alexis Burns and Brody Huddas. Representing the 10th grade are Krista Basic and Zach Winston. Escorting Krista are parents Nick and Melissa Basic. Krista plays volleyball and tennis and is a member of the student council at Marysville High School. When not at school or sports, she enjoys watching crime documentaries. Zach is being escorted by his parents, Sean and Nicole Winston. Zach participates in football, basketball, and baseball. His favorite thing about MHS is getting to play sports with all of his friends. Let's have another round of applause for our 10th grade homecoming court, Krista Basic and Zach Winston. Representing the 11th grade are Paisley Barrows and Connor Fraley. Escorting Paisley is mother Karen McGinty. Paisley is a member of the Viking Regiment and the girls' varsity soccer team. She admires her mom because she's her best friend and the biggest supporter. Connor is escorted by his parents, Dustin and Caitlin Fraley. Connor is a member of the varsity football team and the track teams. Outside of school, he enjoys camping, family parties, and spending time with friends. Let's have one more round of applause for our 11th grade homecoming court members, Paisley Barrows and Connor Fraley. Please welcome now the first members of our 12th grade homecoming court, Kara Miller and Braden Turner. Kara is escorted by her parents, Glenn and Kim Miller. Kara is the captain of the varsity volleyball team and a member of the varsity basketball and softball teams at MHS. She looks up to her older sisters because of their success and the way they continue to help and support her. Braden is escorted by parents Scott and Tracy Turner. Braden is a varsity football and hockey captain, as well as a member of the varsity golf team. After high school, he hopes to attend MSU to study kinesiology so he can stay involved in the world of sports. Next, the second members of the 12th grade court. Got a little ahead of myself there, sorry. Next, the second members of the 12th grade court, Emma Curtis and Noah LaValle. Escorting Emma are parents Mike and Ashley Dixon and Jeff and Amy Curtis. Emma is a member of the varsity softball and varsity volleyball teams, as well as a member of the National Honor Society, Student Council, and Steering Committee at MHS. Emma admires her mom and grandma because they are strong, kind, and humble. Escorting Noah are parents Jason and Holly LaValle. Noah is a member of the varsity football team, the varsity hockey captain, and a member of the varsity golf team. Outside of school, Noah enjoys going golfing with the boys. And finally, please give a warm welcome to your 2022 homecoming court, Got a little ahead of myself again there. Okay, so and finally, please give a warm welcome to your 2022 homecoming king and queen, Wyatt Oles and Megan Winston. Escorting Wyatt are parents Edward and Catherine Oles. Wyatt is a member of the varsity soccer, swim, and track teams. He is also a part of the welding program at Tech. Wyatt admires his parents because they've taught him the importance of thinking smarter and taking pride in his work. Megan is escorted by her parents, Sean and Nicole Winston. Megan is a varsity volleyball captain and a member of the varsity basketball and softball teams. She also participates in the Student Council, National Honor Society, and Steering Committee. After high school, she hopes to study criminal law to work towards her law degree. At this time, we would like to welcome back our 2021 homecoming queen, Mackenzie Fournier, who will officially crown the 2022 homecoming king and queen, Mr. Wyatt Oles and Miss Megan Winston. Well done. Let's have one more round of applause for your senior homecoming court, king and queen. Congratulations to all the members of the homecoming court, and thank you for representing Marysville High School so well. At this time, I would also like to recognize all the members of the Marysville High School Student Council who have been working tirelessly over the past month to plan all of our homecoming festivities. Homecoming would not be what it is without the leadership of co-presidents Lee Uriel and Grace Russell, Director of Finance Carly Urine, Director of Records Abby Nesbitt, and Director of Communications Mara Schweihofer, as well as all the members of the Student Council. Members of the Student Council, please stand wherever you are so you can be recognized.